Hello world, this is Ramesh. I'll be giving you a short intro about C Sharp and we'll be implementing a small program using it. To start, C Sharp is a programming language. To be precise, it is an object oriented programming language developed by Microsoft in the year 2000. From the date of its emergence, it has found its application in various technologies. Being developed by Microsoft, it is the most favorite language of Microsoft. A large number of people in the Microsoft's developer community code with C Sharp. Microsoft developed technologies like .NET, which is a backend framework, Xamarin, a cross-platform app development tool, .NET MAUI, which is an extension of Xamarin, and etc. also have C Sharp as the main language. Let's see the basic structure of a common C Sharp program. To start with the headers. Headers are the place of code where the prerequisites for implementing certain functionalities reside. And after that we have the namespace. Inside the namespace we have the class, and inside the class we have the function where the logical code goes on. There are many IDEs out there for coding C Sharp. In this video I'll be showing you how to code C Sharp using Visual Studio. Visual Studio is an integrated development environment which was developed by Microsoft for developing console application and etc. Let's start downloading Visual Studio. To start with, go to any browser of your wish and search for Visual Studio. And you can find a link which says https visualstudio.microsoft.com. Open that link and scroll. You can find Visual Studio. Click the drop down box and select the community version of 2019. In the date of recording this video, 2019 is the latest one. Open the downloaded file and the installer starts up. Follow the on-screen instructions. This may take a while to complete. After the downloading and the installation get finished, we'll be redirected to this window. Here we have to select .NET Desktop Development and click this checkbox and click Install. This may take a long time to download. Go and have a cup of tea before it gets downloaded. Once the installation gets over, you can find the Visual Studio 2019 screen appearing. If it doesn't open for you, just click the Launch button in the installer. Once it opens, click Create a new project. It loads and shows up some templates to create, and here we are going to select console application using C Sharp. Name your project whatever you want. I'm going to name it Hello World. World. You can change the project location as per your requirement. After setting up everything, click Next. Select the current version of .NET, whatever you find as the current version in the drop down. It takes some time to create the project. Yeah, once the project is created, we can see the program. Visual Studio already gives us some template coding which contains the header, the namespace, the class, the function, which we all saw in the structure. Now we are going to implement a simple program that gets your name as an input and displays the name as the output. Yeah, for that I am going to create a string variable. I am going to name it name. Programming is just like mathematics, equating something with something. Yeah, now I am going to equate the name to the user input. After getting the name as the input, we are going to send the output as hello plus your name. So for that, console dot write line, inside the parenthesis just give hello plus the name variable. Now let's run this program. Yeah, we can see this pop-up window for the output. I'm going to enter my name. The output must say hello Ramesh. You can see that we get an output displaying hello Ramesh. Yeah, this is a simple C# program. If you are interested in knowing what are .NET, Xamarin and .NET MAUI, I have provided the links in the description, and also I have provided the download link for Visual Studio in the description. Hope you like this video. Until then, cheers.